Hello, friends. Uh, we were on the topic at the last point, that is about the types of graphs. Yesterday, we have discussed about the uh, different kinds of bar diagram, pie chart. Now, today we are discussing about the caution in using about computer technology. So, whenever we are using the computer technology in any field, there are always two sides, good and bad. Always, science is not always useful. It is according to the view and vision of users only. So how that individual person is going to use that particular science material or science vision. So many ways are there in which the science is very useful from the point of view of using economics, study of economics. So number one, that is about the tutorials. Tutorials means providing of educational websites which are related to study of economics, helping the conclusion and finding the research about the economics. So that is about the tutorials which are available on the websites. Then active learning. Active learning are that which are provided by experts. Active learning which are provided by experts. Expert in terms of, we can say कि those who have doing research, active research in their field, and provided to us a very expert lecture by their own wisdom, their knowledge, gathering information by their references, etc. Then reading material which are available on sites, books, e-books, then e-learning, e-journals, various types of research articles which are related to economics available on the sites. Which one is authentic one? So these are about the reading material. Information due to search engine, you can say now on a Google, on a very single click of the internet, we can able to access all the information whatever we want to achieve. Then miscellaneous information whatever we want in our daily life, that is related to our subjects or out of subject, whatever we need, these are all are available at a click. Then data and information, that is are most important things to study economics. So data means it's not only a raw form of information, but it is the correct form, it is the ideal form by which one can access at particular conclusion. So data it is an authentic form of information. उस पे क्या है कि लेबल लगा हुआ है, ये जो है that is provided by, for example, census of India, which are carried out at every 10 years by Indian government. So NSSO, National Sample Survey Organization, the data is provided by them. So this one is, yani the authenticity is given by this organization. Then WHO, World Health Organization, the figures, for example, the figures of corona all over the world given by WHO. Which one is right? Right according to the information given by WHO, yani authentic one. UNO, United Nations Organizations. These types of many organizations are there. National level, domestic level, and at international level, all they are providing such types of data. And these types of data are secondary data, which are primarily collected and then analyzed for the study of the economics. Then caution in using internet for education. As I said earlier that internet has not always positive impact in terms of education also. Always there are plagiarized material is also available. Plagiarized means copyright material is also available in there. Misleading information is also carried out. Some facts which are not known by us, but it is very cautious for the readers, that reader have to be very cautious whenever he or she is reading the information. They have to identify or recognize the correct information. They have to recognize the correct source of information. Then data, yani CDs, compact disc. So compact disc which are now available in various these types of authentic organizations. For example, CDs for the National Income Account of India, CDs for the Census of India, Annual Survey of India. So, and these types of organizations generally carried out information, make accessible data, and then they sell the data to the useful sources. So different ministries of data carried out on this compact disc. CMIE, that is about our internal economies. So this is all about the compact disc. But these are software which are carried out in the compact disc. It is not always useful. Generally there are some difficulties also there. कई बार डिस्क जो है वो खराब हो जाती है. Then sometimes what happen, it is not properly maintained, not properly cleaned. So therefore compact discs are not always useful. So this is what about the overall chapter. Now you should do exercise of the whole chapter and also do some your homework whatever given by me. I will carried out a test very soon. Please be prepared for it. Your test of chapter number 1 will be carried out next week. So be prepared for it. Till then, goodbye. Take care.